topic. Now I'll show you how to create categories. Categories in the sense that I have a category called clothing, and there I'm creating two categories like men's section and women's section. And in men's section there will be some products, women's section there will be some products. So we need to categorize the sections as per the product. So how to do it? We have to go to the products, then in categories. Okay. So add a new category. You have to give a name. Let clothing. And give a star. So there is no parent category still now. Just keep blank. So this is my clothing category. So let it be as default. Now nothing more to do here. So just add new category. So the category clothing is there. Now I have to create the product. So I have already men's t-shirt previously created. So here you see the category is already that time the category was not there, so it is uncategorized. Okay. So now you can change it to the clothing category. Then you update it. See, now this is being the member of the clothing category. Okay. Now I'm creating one more uh, product. So I do product. So this is kurta, or let women's product. Another product description, you can give anything. So this is the long description of the product. So that's it's a simple product. So I'm keeping the prices and discount price is 1400, and the inventory also. I'm giving the SKUs and I have a stock of like 50, and whenever the stock will be at 6, I should get the threshold message to pre-procure or pre-making. Now we have to add the product image. So I can upload on my disk. let this send product. So here is the product category while creating the product. So if you have the product already created, you can do it from the quick edit option as I shown previous example. And here while creating the product, we can set it from the product categories and that category. Now this is ready. So here you can give the short description which will appear while people will see site. So this is that. Right. Now we have to publish it. So in this way, we are creating the product category. Okay. So now if you see the view product page, this is women's kurta. Now see the category clothing is coming here. Okay. Now if you are clicking on the clothing category, so it is showing two categories. One is men's t-shirt and one is women's kurta. So you can sort it by your needs. So I'm not going to that step right now. So if you select this, you know this already there are again categories, color and sizes. So you can go to that and you can browse. Okay. So you can do anything. You can go back to the clothing section. You can take again this one. You can check this product and add to cart. So this way we can add the product category.